Welcome to AS Structures. In this video, I'll show you how to use the program to design a two-way slab. First, open and log in to the AS Structures program. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu and select Slab Design to get started. Next, refer to your plan to gather the required section parameters, such as slab thickness and span lengths. Then, input these values into the program to ensure accurate structural modeling. Finally, fill in all the necessary data for load calculations, including live loads, dead loads, and other applicable factors. Now, let's move on to the design process. First, we will determine the appropriate slab thickness. Then, we will proceed with designing the slab reinforcement. AS Structures instantly calculates the required reinforcement spacing, ensuring efficient and precise design. Another feature of the program is that it allows you to visualize the actual bar reinforcement, helping you better understand the reinforcement layout and ensuring accurate placement during construction. The program also includes a print preview feature, allowing you to review the design details before finalizing the report. Additionally, you can export the design and analysis report as a PDF, making it convenient for documentation, sharing, and future reference. AS Structures allows you to design various slab conditions, including one edge discontinuous, interior panels, and two adjacent edges discontinuous, with the ability to seamlessly navigate through them for efficient and flexible slab design. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the slab design process using AS Structures. Stay tuned for more engineering tutorials.